Biafra Liberation Army have given it woto to Nigeria Army in Enyimba. This one happened for Aba. Hello my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you enjoy our news, abeg may you go follow us on all our social media handles, like subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell, and also follow this page and setting the notification bell as well, so that anytime we upload for anywhere, you will be the first person to get immediately. So our update na legit, that will carry and come from direct source. Okay, we'll go look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. This one is coming from PM wey be Simon Ekpa direct, and we get so many updates for here to share with una today. And they say Biafra Liberation Army themselves don come outside talk say they will do anything to make sure say Nnamdi Kanu is released and there is no going back. Okay, we'll go ahead and go read that the tweet where Simon Ekpa leave for his space this morning. He say breaking: the Biafra Liberation Army yesterday neutralized Nigeria zoo terrorists in uniform in Enyimba. Score: Biafra 3, Nigeria 0. No be small thing, no. Things are really happening. This one is coming direct from Simon Ekpa. There is a lot of things going on right now that they have seen that Biafra is very close to their freedom. And you see how this Britain work. They will look for a way to bring so many things to distract the citizens, so that they will see it as an opportunity, in other way to keep on manipulating the people, the indigenous of the land, the owners of the land. France is facing it all over Africa right now. So it's only the English country yet not to be giving it woto to their colonial masters, which is the Britain. So now they see that the people that's going to take this bold step seriously is Biafras, and they will come out to offer you all kinds of things. Let me tell you something. For those of you that want to travel, we are going to read that the reason why I'm saying this, but for those of you that want to travel, the day you leave your father's land, fine, you will get the money, but one day you will realize that you are going down gradually. There is no place like home. I'm telling you something. When I never traveled out of the country before, when I never traveled out anywhere before, I always think about this, that I want to go to America, I want to go to this, I want to go here, I want to go here. But now I've gone all those places. Me, I don't want to stay there anymore. My home is more better than those places we are coming to. I'm telling you the truth. What we need is to fight for our freedom and remove all those puppets that is leading us, and have a good, genuine leaders that will look into our affairs, that will put us first and work for their people. And if you have such a leaders, this is what we really need now, not to travel to another man already made country. No, we need to build our own country. So a lot of people will see this as an opportunity, but in the actual sense, this is another way of colonialism, another way of manipulating your mindset, another way of wasting your time. Because when you get to their country, they will force you to work, not by telling you, not by dragging you to work, but the law of the land keep for you, will force you to work. When you are working, you are paying them tax, you are contributing to the economy, while you still have a heavy forest, where you still have bad road in your own land. So if you are working to build another man's home, who is going to build your own home? This is the question I'm asking you. So do not see any travel as an opportunity, because when you get there, you realize that your home is more better than where you are going. Forget about the money, forget about what you are, but you will realize this thing that I'm telling you. Ask anybody that living outside today, is him full comfortable living there? The answer is no, but you have no choice. Some of them will not going to tell you this truth. They have no choice. They have no choice. They have to be there. So let's go and read that the reply of Simon Ekpa to UK, which is proposing to bring up a visa center in Enugu. So they say that UK are proposing, not they are proposing, they have already on it. So they are going to open it in Enugu anytime from now. And this is what Simon Ekpa tell them. So stay tuned. We're going to read it out. We don't need UK visa collector center in Enugu since after the war. For over 50 years plus, it is now that we are close to our freedom that suddenly remember Southeast. We don't need your visa. You will be properly addressed this evening. Probably Simon Ekpa is going to address them. Anyone with his rightful sense will know that something is really going on. The resolute of people of Biafra is scaring them, and they have no choice than to listen. This is the beginning. Very soon, you will hear that a massive seaport is coming to East. Many things will be coming to East right now. You know what they are doing? Then after a while, they will now imposing some kind of things, be closing them one after the other. But it will take time for them to close it. You know why? They will close all these offices they are about to open. If you know why I love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu too much. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is talking, listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu very well. People like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are not yet to be rise. So many are still watching, but many have rise. Reason very well when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is talking. How these people work is what we are telling you because we have been in their country. See how they work. Now, they will use that same government, which is they are using now, Hausa and Yoruba. They will use them, open some kind things in Southeast. And when they see that this our present generation now that their blood is hot, have come up maybe in the next, look at what it took them, 50 years. In next 50 years or 40 years, you know that those people now, that fact they have gone down, they will now start be closing all those things again. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, however, this is the reply of Simon Ekpa, and we are going to play you the video of a Biafra Liberation Army. Send a strong warning and tell Nigeria government that keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not stop Biafra from coming. So we are going to play the video. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Tomorrow, no, they finish. Act of jealousy and greed. Igbos have abandoned their own because everybody think it could have been them, which none of them can sacrifice or can make the sacrifice that Nnamdi did. He left his kingdom, left his comfort home, and fight for your own betterment. Out of greed, evil politician now see him as evil, that they want to deny them the money that been stolen. Why must it be my turn? And then the question I do ask them is, whose turn do you think it should be? Because everybody is saying, it cannot be my turn. Whose turn do you think it should be? But you don't know what is coming to you. The house of Jacob sold their brother. Joseph was sold out. But that doesn't stop Joseph becoming what Chukwuokike Abịama determined that he will become. Nnamdi being in the prison today will never stop the restoration of Biafra. I want you to know this. I want you to have this in the back of your mind that if you like, keep him till next year. He can never stop the restoration of Biafra. Rather, it will stop your life. Keeping Nnamdi Kanu in prison is going to stop all of your life and the life of your family. How? I'm going to tell you this. You cannot lock somebody's child in a prison, or you cannot maltreat somebody's child and you expect your child to be in a good shape. The same measurement you are measuring to him is the same measurement that will go to your family, that will go to you. Some of you doesn't know the law of life. Some of you doesn't know God. He said, what you want other to do unto you, do unto other. But some of you does not know the secret of life. You don't know the secret of life. Look at all of you. I've told army, you as a Nigeria army, Nigeria police, all of you, have you not been dying in vain? The politician you are protecting, their family is in abroad. You, where is your family? Your family is here with you, sovereign. If you die, even your allowance, even your salary, it is your big man that will chop. You come here to fight us, and you still die on top. You don't want to use your brain. Africa is waking up. Africa is waking up. You're supposed to wake up. Take power from this idiot moron, drugs dealer. Take power from him and do the needful so that your children will also enjoy life. You deserve a better life, but you say no. You rather die with the little crops given to you by your politician to lose your life, and your children will inherit your poverty. That is what you need. Perhaps you have everything in this country that could have changed your life and make your children live like queen. Look at everybody now running to green pasture in another man's country, in abroad. Perhaps abroad is living by our resources. These are our mineral resources that is feeding all of them. All of them, all the Europeans, have been sustained by our mineral resources. But look at Africa as a whole. Look at Africa. Look at Africa, the shit hole. The shit hole. Imagine the country that is producing crude oil. The country that has gold. The country that have coal. The country that have diamond. It's living poor. And a man take it upon himself to come and liberate you from your ignorance. What do? You lock him up because he speak the truth. Because he asks you to open your eye. Because he asks you to wake up. Because he told the world that you deserve a better life. He told the world that you deserve to have a stable life. You deserve to have a running water. You deserve to have a better hospital. You deserve to have a better school. That your children deserve better. Your children have to live as a king and prince and princess that they deserve. What do? You say he's bringing a speech. What is a speech concerning what he was talking about? Your road is bad. Look at, as this rainy season is now, look at your road. Look at your road. From Akwa Ibom to Aba, look at the federal road. From Aba to Imo State, look at the federal road. From Aba to Port Harcourt, look at the federal road. From Imo State to Port River State, look at the road. Which road can you boastfully talk of? I'm talking about South. From Akwa Ibom to Cross River, the federal road, look at the road. But your oil, do you know how many billions and billions of naira these people are stealing from your country and store it in another person's country that they are using in developing their country? It would take them at nothing to repair your road, but they rather choose you to suffer. Because you like stubbornness, they rather choose you to suffer than to walk your road. They rather choose you to suffer than to give you stable light. They rather choose you to suffer than to give you clean and running water. They rather choose your children to remain in stubbornness than to create a better education system. They better choose you that you die than to give you a better hospital. Until you wake up, you will remain like this forever. Your children will inherit your poverty and your stubbornness times 10. Because each day that you fail to react, you remain in pain. Your pain will be increased. Your punishment will be increased. This is what I've come this evening to tell you, that the man that came out to speak for your behalf or on your behalf, you are blocking up. You don't want to remember him. Some people text me today that there's some people are selling. Then go on, they mention some area. The thunder that will fire them is still being gathering. It is a must that Nnamdi must be celebrated. It's a must. Until he being released unconditionally. Until he's being released before Monday sit at home will stop. So those of you who have already bought up by the politician, you have signed your death warrant. You have signed your death warrant. Mark my word, you have signed your death warrant.
Okay, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back as I've watched that touching message that coming out from Biafra Liberation Army. Those guys are inside bush every day, bringing us updates and how it they happen. This struggle of Biafra must be restored. That is, we lay all our support to everybody who wants to be free. And we talk about you. This channel talk about everything that is happening all over the world, happen especially in Biafra land and especially in Nigeria. Okay, my people, now so we'll see more. May you leave your own contribution. May we'll see what you think about these videos and the information we'll bring can give you. Don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Okay, thanks for watching.